What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to update apps on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, of course, you need to open up your App Store, and now if you want to update the specific application you need to use the search. I will tap right now on search, and here in the search bar I can start typing the app name. I find the PixArt right there, and now I see this update button next to the name of the application. It says me that I can update right now that application. If this button says open, it means that this application right now is up to date. So to update the specific application I need to tap on update button and wait till the end of that process. So now I got this application updated and this button says open. And now let me show you what to do if you want to update all the application at once. So first you need to go to your App Store right there on that screen, and there tap on your profile icon, and here scroll down, and there is all the list of all your application downloaded on your device, and here you see update all feature and the block of upcoming automatic updates. Now there is just one application waiting for its update, but if you got more than one, all of them will be here and you are able to update the specific application right there one by one, or some more important than you need. And also you can update all the application at once. Just tap there on update all button. So I hope this video helped you out, so let me know in the comments below that it's worked for you. See you next time.